Correct. So we will do unboxing.
Hello all, how are you? So today we are going to review HS series HS Holy Stone Drone. Okay, so brand is Holy Stone HS110D. We are going to review it. Before that, please like, subscribe and support our channel so that we can show you more products and reviews. So this is a drone which is for 14 plus age. It's not for kids. Okay, it is mentioned on the box. There is a Wi-Fi FPV transmission, altitude hold, headless mode, 6-axis gyro, and this is the HD camera, 1040 pixels, 4 channels. It is 360 flip, so while in the air you can flip it 360 degree while it's flying. Colorful LEDs, so that in the night if you are using your drone, so you can find out. And there is a battery, 3.7 LP IBO battery. Okay, so packaging is nice. We ordered from Amazon. It cost only $75. So we are going to check now. So what we see here is this is our drone. How you will play it, how you control of your drone is this is the remote. Here is a speed sign, engine start and landing. I'm removing this, so all the instructions are here: turn left, turn right, ascend, descend, forward. All the signs are here. And this is engine start and landing. See, this is I think one touch landing. You will press, it will come down. Okay, and this remote has 4 batteries. You can put it here to switch it on. This one is, I think, you'll see it what the use of this one. This is the propeller, so that you can put all around of your drone's feathers, so that it will not hit on wall or something. This is 2 extra landing legs which they have given. Here we have extra feathers for the drone, and all the kit is given how to use it. There is a small screwdriver and screws are also there, so that you can fit it easily. 1 battery is also given. which you can use, and one battery is already in the drone. Okay. So there are two batteries, one you can charge and one you can use. So it's a all around looking good feature. They are given extra things, and this is the charging cable. You can charge your battery. So let's have a look what we got in the box, in the drone box. We got a cute telephone diary to note down the things. You can write it down here, you can use it. There is an instruction book how to use the drone, all the description, warnings and drone details, battery, safety, all the functions are mentioned here. You can go through. We have got one extra battery. One is inside the drone and one is here, so you can charge it outside and use it. This is the phone holder, so which you can put in your remote. You can use it here. I will show you the review how to use it by attaching the phone. Then we have a propeller safety. So this there are 4, so we will put outside of the fans propeller, so that it will, when it collides to the wall, then these fans will not get issue. Okay, this is for safety. This is one extra legs. If you see, it is present in this. Okay, so that is a good thing. And also they are given extra 4 fans and screwdriver, which you can use for future, like if any of your fan is not working properly or some is happening, then you can use that. Okay, place here. And then there is a caution of battery, how to save your battery, how to safely use it. Okay, and that's all we have, and we'll show you how to fly this. These are the products which we got in the box. One remote is there, so we'll see how to use it. In the next video we are going to show how to fly it and how to fix all the propellers. So thanks for watching the channel. Like, subscribe and comment if you have any question, but subscribe our channel so that you can see the next videos. Okay, thank you.